class children, very good morning to all. I hope you all ready for the second class Hindi. Yes, please be ready with the Hindi class of notebook. So yesterday I had given the which matra. I had given the practice choti ki matra. So tell me now which side it comes. Choti ki matra towards left side, not right side. Okay, choti ki matra will comes always beside the not letter, at the back side of the letter. Okay, so if you take any example, now listen here again. Once again I am showing you. You take not only ka, take ma or na. This is all single letter, isn't it? Now I am going to place the choti ki matra. Look at here all of you. Choti ki matra, how I am going to give you choti ki matra. Just you have to place the matra here. Next, naku choti ki matra ni. It is moving to where? To the left side. It start from left side to it touch to letters. Here also choti ki matra. See, again towards to the left side. Okay, so this is left hand side. If I go for badi ki matra, you have to go for the right hand. But I didn't start at the badi ki matra. We are just focusing on which letter, which matra, choti ki matra. Okay, so now choti ki matra is always which side? Yes. Now you take, this is the choti ki matra, left side. Choti ki matra. That before which matra we completed? A matra. This is a matra. And what is this next one? Choti ki matra. It is moving towards to left side. Okay. You can start the letter. Take any letter. If you take pa, yes. Don't drag the letter from here. Then you go with this line. This is enough. Okay, P, ma, mi, ni. If you write like this, matra stroke will go wrong. Okay. So write very neat handwriting. A matra and choti ki matra. Yesterday I had given the practice of ki to ni, isn't it? You have done the practice of writing what? Ki to ni letters. Have you done? Again, once again, today also you should do it this classwork. Okay, you have to write this one, ki to ni one time. You make it as a homework, not classwork. You make it as a homework. At last I will show you. Okay, but it is very compulsory. You should have to do the practice more. Then only you will get it. Okay, so a matra has completed. Now choti ki matra we completed the first two steps of choti ki matra. Okay, now let me start the join the letter and matra. See, I will give you the, just I am giving only in English, headings are in English. Okay, join the letter and matra. Why I am giving in English headings? You know that. Why, children? Last year had you learned any matra? No. So you don't know how to write all those matra. Okay, because now only we step on to which matra? Choti ki matra. Join the letter and matra to frame a word. Arthapetunda? Why? Because to frame a word. Why I am giving this letter heading in English? How do you understand? Yes, because you people don't know other matra and strokes, isn't it? This year only you started learning the matra. So how can I write a heading in Hindi? Yes, you won't understand. If I write in Hindi also you won't understand. That's the reason teacher is writing this heading in English. Okay, so you can understand, this is very easy for you. Join the letter and matra to frame a word. Okay, now first word. Look at here, first one I am giving you. Viman. Choti ki matra plus va plus ma plus a matra plus na. Now what is this? Which word it is? Yes. How to say? Va ko choti ki matra vi, ma ko a ki matra ma, na. Viman. Okay. So choti ki matra. See, look at the back side of the letter. Choti ki matra. Don't change the position. You see how is it at the back of the letter. Same you should have to place the at the back of the letter. Don't change the position of this matra. This is Viman. Okay, the next one. Number 2, Kitab. Choti ki matra plus ka plus ta plus a matra plus ba. Now leave one line and write. Okay, so what is this? Kitab. Write on the line. Kitab. Don't write between the lines. Okay, Kitab. Third one. नदिया. न प्लस द प्लस छोटी की मात्रा प्लस या प्लस आ मात्रा. Yes. Which word you got now? Nadiya. So I'll do one thing. If I write like this, you will get confused. Matra I will change it like this. Nadiya spelling. Na plus choti ki matra plus the. Okay. Now it is very easy, isn't it? See here. Na da को छोटी की मात्रा दी, या को आ की मात्रा या. नदिया. Next one. Fourth one. Spell the word of हिरण. Spell the word of हिरण. छोटी की मात्रा प्लस ह प्लस र प्लस न. हिरण. Spell the word. ह को छोटी की मात्रा ही, र न. हिरण. Is it clear all of you? One more. कविता. Spell the word of कविता. क प्लस छोटी की मात्रा प्लस व प्लस त प्लस आ मात्रा. What is the word? Yes, कविता. What is this? क व को छोटी की मात्रा वी, ता को आ की मात्रा ता. कविता. Okay. Next two more. Yes. What is the sixth one? Sixth one is दिल. छोटी की मात्रा प्लस द प्लस ल. दिल. Join the word. द को छोटी की मात्रा दी, ल. दिल. Okay. Seventh one. दरिया. द प्लस छोटी की मात्रा प्लस र प्लस या प्लस आ मात्रा. What is this now? Which word it is? Yes. दरिया. Spell the word of दरिया. द र को छोटी की मात्रा री, या को आ की मात्रा या. दरिया. Okay, this is enough for you all. Now tell me now. Spell the word of किताब. Yes. Spell the word of किताब. का को छोटी की मात्रा की, ता को आ की मात्रा ता. ब. किताब. Next third one. Which word you got it? After framing that letter and matra, which word you got? Nadiya. You have to spell the word. Look at here. This is the main step for you. You have to understand this concept. Then only you can easily learn the hard words. Okay. Try to understand the letter and matra. Then you have to frame the words. Okay. If you understand this concept, that is very easy for you. Okay, children. So second class. Now you had started the third one. That is E. Choti ki matra. You have to go for n number of times practice. So if you do this practice choti ki matra, it is very easy to learn the textbook hard words. Okay, whatever the textbook reading also you can do it very easily. But spell the word matra. Choti ki matra plus ka plus ta plus a matra. That previous matra what we had learned. A matra plus ba. Ba se batak. Then na se nal plus choti ki matra plus da se darwaja plus ya se yagn plus a matra nadiya. Tomorrow the same way. Tomorrow I am going to show with picture and matra. Okay, what is that? Picture and matra, but you have to find out the word. Is it clear, children? So this is the very same basics concept you have to understand. Choti ki matra plus ha plus ra plus na. Hiran. Ka plus choti ki matra plus va plus ta plus a matra. Kavita. Ka va को छोटी की मात्रा वी, ता को आ की मात्रा ता. कविता. दिल. दा को छोटी की मात्रा दी, ल. दिल. दरिया. द रा को छोटी की मात्रा री, या को आ की मात्रा या. दरिया. Is it clear now? So we had completed how many words? 7 words. Okay, this is enough for you for today class. Tomorrow teacher will give you the next exercise with new bits. Okay, related to which matra? Not new matra, same matra, choti ki matra. If we have to complete it, first we have to complete choti ki matra, complete all the exercise. Okay, so I can't make you very rush up. Okay, I'll take this matra in class very slowly. You have to understand. Is it clear, children? Second class. So do the practice much and more in the rub book. Again, you can make it as a one-time homework as it in the rub book also. Don't write in the classwork. This bit you should have to write it as a homework, but not in the classwork, in the rub book. Okay, do the rub book practice, not in the fair classwork notebook. But please update everything in the Hindi classwork notebook. You have to use a broad rule, not a single rule notebooks. Okay, use your broad rule notebooks and write, update everything. Whatever the exercise I had taught you, everything should be there in your classwork. Okay, thank you children. So tomorrow we will see with the new exercise.